Okay, so now we're going to do perpendicular lines, okay? Perpendicular lines, I can see some right here. Perpendicular lines are going to cross with each other, okay? They're not going to be side by side like the parallel. They are going to cross. But when they cross, guys, they are going to make this 90-degree angle, okay? I'm going to write this down. 90-degree angle, okay? This is also known as a right angle, okay? So a 90-degree angle is known as a right angle, okay? Let me write this real quick. Sorry, I'm writing with big old chalk. Okay. How do you know it's a 90-degree angle? Because it is going to be right in the middle of the shape, okay? For example, if I were to draw, hold on, Mama. If I were to draw this shape, okay, almost looks like a protractor. Right here in the middle of the shape, okay, right here in the middle of the shape is going to be 90 degrees, okay? Always remember that. In the middle of, Riley, in the middle of the shape is going to be 90 degrees. 90 degrees is a right angle, okay? So right here on your perpendicular lines, you could have a right angle here. You also have a right angle right here, okay? You also have a right angle right here. And you also have a right angle right here. Okay, do you see that? 90 degrees. Okay, let's see if I can find some more. Okay, right here on the ground. Okay, when the tiles are next to each other here, you can see that this and this is going to be perpendicular to each other because it creates that 90-degree angle. Guys, when you're looking at your math book assignments and things I'm assigning to you right now, all the shapes are already going to have this angle in there. So if you see it drawn out, you know that that means 90 degrees. Okay, that's what that angle means, a 90-degree angle. Let's say that, oh, perfect right here. Okay, these two sticks right here. Right now, they are not perpendicular to each other because this is not creating a perfect 90-degree angle. If I wanted them to create a 90-degree angle, I'm going to change it like this. Okay? So now you can see that right here would be 90 degrees, or right here, right here, right here. Now those two sticks are perpendicular. Okay? Let me see. Okay, for example, let's go back to the garden right here. Okay, right here to right here, those are going to be perpendicular. Okay, because they're making that right angle. All right, got it? Those ones are a little bit, I wouldn't say they're too hard to find. You just really have to look at it and, you know, decide if it's making that perfect 90-degree angle. Okay, if I'm looking at this birdhouse that Mr. Ramirez has, I can see that the two lines on the side are parallel, and the one at the top and the bottom is another set of parallel lines. So this one also has two sets of parallel lines. Does it have anything perpendicular that you see? Okay, not really, unless you want to really get in there and look at all the lines on there, but I think those lines that are in the wood are actually more parallel. Okay, Logan, let's see if we can find some perpendicular lines.
Maybe these right here.
Okay, he's thinking with the stones maybe. Okay, so on this stone, if this line keeps going up and this line keeps going to the side, that will make a perpendicular line with 90 degrees. Where's the chalk? Let me see.
Oh, here, just
Okay,
the marker.
so if I take this line and it keeps going and I keep extending it, and then this line right here and the crack keeps going like that, that's going to make your 90-degree angle. See that? Okay, just like that. Okay, so those are perpendicular lines. Going to make, oh look, right here in the bushes actually too. Right in there. See how that line is crossing with that line and it's making a 90-degree angle. Think of it a lot, guys, like when you see lines like with an X or a cross, 90-degree angles. Okay,